So home button withdrawal is a real thing. And if you were using an older iPhone in the past and recently upgraded to the iPhone 14 series, there is a way to bring it back to life. And to do this, you just need to go into your settings and click accessibility and then tap the touch option. Next, you want to click assistive touch and then turn this option to on. Now, when you do this, you're going to see a magical white ball appear on your screen, usually to the right of your screen. And what you want to do is move this ball around to the bottom of your screen. And when you tap it, you've now recreated the old school home button. Congratulations. Now, what's cool about this is you can literally control your entire iPhone through this button as far as locking it, opening it, turning your iPhone off, controlling the volume, and so much more. Anyways, just a cool little trick to try out if you're going through home button withdrawal. I've been there before. And finally, because I'm addicted to this game right now, I'm going to throw up some more Jetpack Joyride. So let's run it.